Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
household vacuum cleaners.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Shark's next-generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M cleaner head, which actively removes hair wrap from the Brushrol. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.
The Shark AI Robot XL can create a detailed, complete map on its very first run. So in no time, you'll get a map of your home that shows up on your Shark Clean app homepage. This is how you can control cleaning schedules, select specific rooms to clean or avoid, and you can even tell your Shark AI robot about a really difficult mess and send it to UltraClean that area. The faster the mapping is complete, the faster your setup is finished, and the faster you're ready to
Meet the next-generation self-empty robot.
The Shark AI Robot Self-Empty.
Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now, with Ultra Clean mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI robot also features a Bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to a month. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. This is where cleaning power. Meet the next-generation self-empty robot.
AI Robot Self-Empty.
Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding or night. And now, with Ultra Clean single rooms, and Ultra Clean mode combines powerful multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI robot also features a Bagless HEPA self-empty base for up to a month. Everything is controlled or your voice. Where cleaning power intelligence.